Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a voiceover to your Google Slides presentation. First, open your project in Google Slides and navigate to the slide where you want to add audio. You can use the panel on the left side of the window to navigate through your slides. Next, click on the Insert tab, which you'll find in the horizontal menu above the document, next to File, Edit, and View. Then, click on Audio, which is located next to an icon of a speaker near the top of the drop-down menu. Navigate to and select the audio file you want to use. Please note that you'll only see audio files that are saved as MP3 or .wav files. After selecting the audio file, click on the Select button, which you'll find in the bottom left corner of the file browser. You'll see a speaker icon on the slide you added the audio to, indicating that the audio has been successfully added. That's it. You've successfully added a voiceover to your Google Slides presentation. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.